Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome and welcome back to another interesting video on my channel. In today's video, I will be giving you a room tour of a Hotel de Février. It's one of the rooms. My sister is staying here. Yeah, my sister is in Lomé Togo. If you've not watched my previous video, please go check it out and meet my lovely sister. Enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get into the video. Hotel de Février is one of the best hotels and the only 5-star hotel we have here in Lomé Togo, and this is the view of the hotel when you're driving in.
Okay, let's go.
So this is the elevator. They have 4 elevators servicing the hotel, and yeah, look, they have nice art on the wall. It's really pretty. There are more rooms on this side and on this other side, and on the other side it's also the same, that side and the other side too. So yeah, let's check out the room. Oops. So when you enter, this is where you place the card so that you can have, yeah, you can put it like that or like that. Yeah. So this is the entrance. Of the room, and when you just enter, on the right side, this is the washroom. Let me show you the washroom. So that's the shower, and they give you towels too, and yeah, and that's me. So this is basically it. Actually, it doesn't come with a toothbrush and a toothpaste, so these are for my sister, and we're using the cap as the holder, of course. And yeah, so they give you this soap. This is the soap they give you. They give you shower gel, shampoo, conditioner, and body lotion. And there's this tissue over here. There's also a vanity kit and a shower cape. You see, there's a shower cape over there. Yeah, it comes with it. Another mirror here. There's so many mirrors, and a hair dryer. Another beautiful painting over here, and the toilet. So they come to clean every day. So yeah, that's it about the washroom. Opposite the bathroom door, there's this wardrobe. So this is where my sister is keeping her things, so I won't open it. And that's her sitting over there, enjoying the beautiful view of Lomé. Another mirror, so beautiful. Yeah. And this is the bed. It has 2 side tables and these lamps on both sides of the bed. And you can put your shoes there. You can put your suitcase over here or whatever you want. And there's a TV. and you can actually work from here. They have both menus So yeah, you can have room service. Yeah, and this is basically it. And a pencil, paper, and there's a phone over here, more charging ports, there's a study lamp over here, and another mirror. Yeah, it looks amazing, right? And over here we have a fridge, a mini fridge. Yeah, nothing much, just water. So actually, my sister carried this from the house yesterday. You know, Kenyans are very funny. She wanted to try pure water, so she got this for herself. She wants to try Togolese water. And at the corner here, there are actually 2 cups, but I'm currently using one. And here you have tea bags and coffee. And this is a kettle, and they give you 2 bottles of water every day. And there's this chair over here and a lamp. Yeah, and this is the view I have from the hotel. Isn't this beautiful? It's so beautiful. And if you look at the far end over there, that's the beach.
Every moment tonight,
and that's basically
every
it.
single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you.
For the few days my sister was staying here, we tried out their buffet, and the buffet on normal days it's usually 16,000 sefa, and on special days, and I think on Sundays if I'm not wrong, it's usually 25,000. The buffet has very many options, starting from starters. Like starters, there's a lot of variety of foods to choose from. When you go to the main meal, like variety of foods, like it was so interesting to try all these types of foods. And when I was eating here, like I totally forgot that I was in Togo, because the food was not cooked in a Togolese type of way. Like, you know, of course they serve international clients, so yeah, like it was really interesting. But also they also serve Togolese cuisines, especially if you're a foreigner and you want to try some Togolese food. You'll really enjoy spending your time here.
I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely. I know you don't wanna talk, but just pick up the phone. We could go for a
The hotel also has a very big ballroom where conferences and other meetings or events are held. I was privileged to take part in the conference which happened here, and the next couple of days I helped organize a training session which happened right here. So yes, I'm happy guys that you have been able to watch till this far. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Until the next one guys, bye.